Okay, so we're going to do a reaction video. I don't know if you saw the Spaghettio Pie video.
I've seen it. I haven't had a chance to watch it yet.
Yeah, okay, so the Spaghettio Pie video, this guy takes pie crust and he throws SpaghettiOs in it and Cheez-Its, and he takes butter bread and mashes it on top of it and brown sugar, and he bakes it.
You forgot the best part.
And then he pours fucking milk on it.
Okay,
that sounds fucking awful.
Talking about
And-
I was a rolling pin, but whatever.
And so I watched it and I was like, this dude's crazy, right?
He must not like the shit.
Like, I don't know, but I was like, it's just disgusting. But then I came across this video, and it made me think that his original video was a work, right? So
This
let's.
the same guy?
Yeah, this is the same guy. So we're gonna watch this video. Okay. So his name's Gordo, and he's making chicken and waffles.
Gordo. Didn't he used to rap it for Impact?
Yeah, it was Grado. He came out with Madonna. Yeah, I think she tried to sue him later. So he's pouring the batter right into the toaster.
This is how you
Some
blow
of
shit
y'all
up.
like chicken and waffles. We're making my favorite
Looks
chicken
like
and
Grado.
waffles.
He kind of does look like Grado.
It's really good. Got some of these
Okay, so that's just
Chicken.
raw chicken tenders.
chicken and meat. Gonna put them in
Eggs,
farm fresh
maybe?
eggs.
Yep, eggs.
Oh, man,
eggs.
it's really good. Just like my mom used to do it, man. She'd really coat them things in that flour. Bring it right over here to the toaster, man. Alright.
Okay, it is smoking.
We'll turn it off
Put
for a
raw
second.
chicken in a
Get it
fucking
going.
toaster.
Okay,
Chicken breast
let's
on
pause
there.
it right here for a second. He puts raw chicken in the toaster with the flour, and he poured the batter right in the toaster too. It seems like it would just kind of blow up.
I feel like it would, dude. Like, Gordon Ramsay would be so upset.
Oh, dude, when I was a kid, I wanted to make cheese toast once. And so I was like, hey, I can just put the cheese on the on the bread and put it in the toaster. No, it did not work like that. It caught on fire, like, and it just started smoking, and I ruined the toaster. My parents were really mad at me.
I can imagine. So, I wasn't real big into toaster and shit as a kid. I had one of these things. It was like a fucking, like a little waffle maker kind of. But you could put a piece of bread with the meat and cheese in it, and it had like an indentation in the middle that cut it at an angle. And you always like just close it and let it sit and it would cook and cut it.
Like a little panini press.
Yeah, it was fucking great.
Yeah. So let's get back to the video. All right.
One more little chicken breast.
So it's smoking.
These are the way we do it down here in the South, man. These
I'm
southern
from the South.
chicken and waffles.
I've never seen it done like this.
I'm from the South and I've never eaten chicken and waffles.
We're gonna cook up. Hope everybody likes chicken,
Chicken and waffles. Is,
I'm not a big chicken person.
Last little bit of what we got into it.
If I could live
Boy, we're feeding
24/7,
a lot of
365
kids
days a
today.
year off of food, it would be
These
peaceful.
kids love these chicken and waffles, man. It's gonna turn out really good. Trust me. Trust me
Can't give
on
up
this.
chicken if
It's
you
gonna
never started it.
turn out good. If your
I like chicken
parents
on my
or grandparents never
I do like buffalo
really
chicken.
made chicken and waffles,
so it's
for you,
really smoking.
this is the way we've always done it. Like, it's easy, man. You got an easy cleanup. It's not a real big mess, and then you know
Look at his hair.
it's
He's
fun
got
too.
hair up
Kids
there.
love doing it. And,
It's kind of
I'm excited about it. I love
What's
getting
that
kids
kid?
together. We all make chicken and
got
waffles on
frozen.
the toaster. And pretty cool. My mama loves chicken and waffles. I was with my mama the other day, and I almost ordered some, but I've been trying to lose a little weight, but I couldn't resist tonight. I had to do it. I think the chicken's done, though. Let's check that. We
They probably over really well in Pembroke.
Oh, yeah. The chicken's nice and hot.
so look.
Let's get it.
Look, that is clearly not the thing that went into that toaster.
Cut it in.
That's a video edit.
So we're gonna stop it there.
Nice and crispy.
Wait,
Oh, yeah.
I can't get it to stop. So he's trying to work us. He's clearly trying to work us. That is, and he still burned the waffle. How do you burn the fucking waffle and when it's a work?
It make you believe.
I don't know, man. It's one of the biggest food botches I've seen in a long time. Like, I don't know, dude. The video edit itself Like, you could tell it cut
Yeah.
in between.
Yeah.
It wasn't smooth. There was no smooth transitions. I mean, this is a really bad fucking wrestling match.
So when I put in the original video, you know, I didn't know that it was a work, so I'm starting to question that one. And if you go through,
Is that a
look,
tornado? Yeah,
here's another video of this guy
Pretty cool.
where he's watching a video. You guys see
Putting
it.
alcohol in it. Dude, don't do that.
And he's getting thousands
Did that just
of
suck all
views.
the water out?
Did you see the way the water come out of that bottle?
Oh my gosh,
That's called-
that's crazy. Yeah, we gotta do that. Let's
I
make that
think
happen.
he's gonna try it.
So I ain't got no alcohol, but I got some hand sanitizer. I wonder if hand sanitizer is flammable. Let's see. Oh, it is flammable. Hey. Oh,
What
that
the
was kinda hot.
fuck?
And I got a bowl. I got some.
Hand sanitizer is very flammable.
Dude, I almost caught my buddy's bedroom
wet
floor on fire with that shit one
I
night.
kind of did. I couldn't really find a.
How did you almost set us?
So we got drunk one night as kids, dude. And sorry, mom and dad, if you see this. And we were playing fucking PlayStation. It was like PS3 or some shit. And we found a bottle of Germex, and we wanted to see if we could catch fucking toilet paper on fire with it.
Okay.
Well, it fell into his carpet. And just went up in fucking smoke. And like, we freaked the hell out. We was grabbing jugs of water and tossing it. And long story short, we grew up and he went off to fucking the military and stationed in Hawaii. He did good for himself. And yeah, I'm still stuck here.
I almost caught my room on fire once. I was in high school and I got a pack of cigarettes and I had like 2 matches. And I'm like, oh my God, how can I, smoke cigarettes all day? And so I lit a candle. And my idea was I was going to light cigarettes off the candle for the rest of the night. So I left the candle burning and I went to take a shower. And when I came back, like, my curtains were on fire. And, like, I had to go grab a bunch of water and start throwing it. My grandpa was furious. He was like, I'm going to get the fuck out of my house.
See, kids, it's not always bad to be a curtain jerker.
So, we've seen this guy. He's going to try to do the same thing he just watched. With hand sanitizer instead of alcohol. Why didn't he just fill up the bottle with water?
You think it's gonna work? Absolutely not gonna work. Alright, let's see.
I tell you what's not going to work.
Big bottle or
Him trying to get out of that fucking chair.
Okay, well, okay, so he's just going to fill it up with hand sanitizer. Alright, he's got a torch.
Don't tell me this is false advertising. That will be aggravated. Let's see.
Whoa! Holy
Whoa!
Dude, did you just see that?
Okay, I'm impressed.
Gosh,
It's like he just made a fucking
dude, that really
gram of cocaine in the bottom.
Oh my God.
It kind of does.
That is crazy. Let's see.
Holy shit.
Alright. That looks like one of those pomegranate juice bottles.
It does with it. The palm
Yeah,
shit.
Oh my God.
I've never tried it.
Dude, that is nuts. Alright, let's see.
If Rosie O'Donnell and Joe Dirt had a fucking baby,
It would be
This
that.
would be the-
Whoa!
Oh,
It just sucked right into the bottle.
dude, that f***ing worked.
what is it sucking into the bottle?
I think it's just the water from
The smoke?
Yeah.
That's nuts. We're gonna try that again. That was tight. That was really cool. Yeah. Let's go. That was a lot.
He's gonna do it again.
Maybe that was a little too much. Let's see.
A little bit of science in there. That is pretty neat.
Yes.
Bottom.
My science teacher in school didn't teach us shit. She taught us how to get locked up for sleeping with kids.
My math teacher did that.
You need to try this too. You need to try this, bro. You really need to try this. I'm about to go to the
All of my science teachers are serious. They're gonna be like, I don't know who the fuck he's talking about.
Yeah, that would suck. Okay, man, so this has been... Alright, man, so this has been, what's his name? It doesn't have his name on there anymore. Because this is from a page on Facebook that's stealing his content and just re-uploading it. At least we're changing it by edits and stuff.
Right.
So what did you think?
I don't know, dude. The chicken and waffles one was a crock of horse shit, to be honest. But the science experiment was pretty cool. It's probably the wettest he's seen anything in a long time.
Yeah, learned something. Well, guys, this has been Roach's Joint. I'm Roach. I don't have a joint on me. And big special thanks to Big Tatt. If I had a joint, I'd talk straight, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't smoke. I do a lot of drinking, man.
Yeah. I'll throw Big Tatt's info in there in the part where there's info below the video. I forgot what it's called. But I'll throw your stuff down there, your Instagram, Facebook, all your TikTok. He's big on TikTok.
9 times out of 10, any of my content involves wrestling. So,
Hey!
if you don't like professional wrestling, you just get the fuck out.
I second that. Alright, guys. We'll see you next time.